Don't play with my heart, baby. I should have known from the start, darling.
Hello friends, this is Adil. This video is in collaboration with Razer. I'm doing an unboxing of Bungee Mouse V3 with the price of $19.99 US. Also headset base station V2 Chroma Quartz. It's a USB hub stand with the price of $79.99 US. So let's go explore. This is the Razer mouse cable Bungee V3 website and you can order yours just for $19.99 US. Here is the Razer base station V2 Chroma Quartz web page. You can place an order from it. So let's do the unboxing for both products. Let's jump into unboxing of headset base station V2 Chroma Quartz. Let's install the Razer Chroma RGB application. By this you can control the Chroma RGB lighting system and it will take a few minutes to finish the installation process. This headset base with the USB hub gives a 7.1 surround sound system, add more functionality and feature to your gaming setup. Time to charge earbuds with the USB hub system and see it's charging smoothly, which is superb. Now let's recharge my SoundSurge 90 headphones which I use while listening to music or playing games. See, they are also charging successfully. The Bungee Mouse V3 has a spring arm with a clip-on cable catch option and love its spring flexibility and durability. Razer Bungee Mouse has drag-free cord control with rust-resistant spring arm feature which is excellent and so friendly as well. You can place your mouse cable on this clip-on catch and its grip is tight and amazing. The Razer Bungee Mouse V3 has a weighted rubber grip base which ensures that it will stay in place while gaming or for work. Let's connect the mouse cable with the Bungee mouse and make sure both cords mounted properly with it, and let's test it while gaming. While gaming, shifting mouse left or right side, I notice it stays on its position nicely because of its weight, which is great boost for gamers. The headset stand with a sleek metallic design which is now taller at 278mm in height. You can hang and display larger headsets. Sync up your RGB lighting effects headset stand with the USB hub feature while you take a break from gameplay or work. Both this Bungee mouse and headset stand gives a boost to your gaming setup, and with the Razer Chroma RGB lighting you can enjoy a gaming experience or work with extreme level. Don't forget you can find the Razer website down below in the video description. Also for the both products, prices are mentioned here. If you are interested in drone footage, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.